This is a video on how to make a Panopto recording. Um, we recommend signing into your Canvas account and going into the specific course. From there, you should see Panopto recordings on the left-hand side in the navigation. Now, if this is for an assignment, we recommend clicking on one of the subfolders here. If you click on it, and you see the word assignments in square brackets like this, this is the folder that you want to create your recording in. From there, you would click create and you would click on record a new session. You have the option to download Panopto if it already hasn't been installed on your computer, or you can just click open if it's already installed. From there, the screen will pop up. Make sure in the folder line that you see the name of the class and the word assignments in square brackets. That's how you can tell that this folder is the destination folder for your assignments. It's the Dropbox. Make sure that you rename it. This area here indicates the volume of your microphone. Make sure to choose a video option if you're recording yourself on screen. Make sure you choose your microphone from the audio drop-down menu. And if you're sharing your screen or showing something in addition to your audio, make sure you check the box. You'll click on Capture PowerPoint to show a PowerPoint presentation slideshow in the background as you're recording. If you want to show your main computer screen, you would check this box. If there are other screens, you would check whichever corresponding box. When you're done, you'll hit the stop button and you'll choose upload. We recommend waiting for the upload to progress at least to 50% to 75% to give it enough time before closing out of Panopto.